All right, and then tomorrow I'm going to be going on a boat ride up at Saratoga Lake, so that should be fun. Going with one of the girls that I own my salon with and a couple of her friends, so that should be fun. I'll take you along so you can see how the lake looks. So it's supposed to be another nice day tomorrow. Today was still kind of hot, in the high 90s, so a little bit hot. So I hope tomorrow's a little bit cooler to go out on the boat. Otherwise I'm gonna get pretty scorched. But anyways, I'll take you along the journey tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow. Hi, good morning everyone. Happy 4th of July. Just making some stuff for the boat trip today. Got some cookies and gonna be making some strawberry shortcake. But yeah, figured we'd have strawberry shortcake because that would be red, white, and blue. Like strawberries red, Cool Whip is white, and blueberries are blue. So just need to cut up these strawberries and put a little sugar on them so they'll be nice and juicy by the time we get to the boat today. But yeah, let me get this started so not running late. Oh good, my idea is working perfectly. So I took the little strawberry cakes, these little sponge cakes, out of the package. I kept them in the little plastic thing, but I put a piece of parchment paper down, and then I'm gonna put another piece down to put the next layer. And then I had the strawberries all cut up and put in the little container, and the blueberries. So, okay, so put the other piece of parchment paper down. So then we have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, yeah, okay, so we'll have 12 of those. Not sure how many people are coming, so hopefully this will be enough for everyone. If everyone just has one to begin with, and then if anyone wants more afterwards, if there's any left. So anyways, got that all going. I'm bringing that with me. We're just trying to eliminate as much garbage as possible on the boat, so that way I can put this stuff, keep this right in here, and don't have to worry about a mess. Right, so I had the covers on, and I just need to put this cover on like that. So that's how you keep everything all nice and separate. So put that on there and put it in the fridge until I go. All right, so I figured I put a fishtail braid in my hair since we're going to the lake, just being a little bit funny. So, but yeah, there's not the greatest one I've ever done, but there's that. And my outfit of the day, if you can see that, but I do have a skirt on that has 4th of July stars on it. But yeah, if we get any pictures out on the boat, or if I can video it all, I will show you. Not sure if they'll let me video them. I can at least get some pictures. All right, so just gonna grab everything. Open that container, fits in this bag here. do. All right. Beach towel, sunblock. And purse, money, ID. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. All right, so let's get in my Jeep and off to Saratoga Lake for 4th of July festivities. Got the cooler bag, the strawberry shortcake stuff, beach bag, got my phone, right, got the windows down in my Jeep. Just gotta put those windows down. I've been in my Jeep, so I couldn't put those windows down. And all right, so with my Jeep ready to go. Oh shoot, need to get my water real quick. I'm ready. Got my water. Alright. Okay. And we're off. Alright, here we go. Off to Saratoga Lake, July 4th, 2026. Route 9P.
are not.
Okay.
Get out.
All right, so these are our friends that I'm going to be going on the boat with today.
Stop it.
Okay.
I like the yellow one, but yellow one rolls in your eyes and then burns.
She's in my house.
Don't do that. I may end up having to put this in the shade when we get somewhere. Do you need help?
I have fancy supplies, the kind that Kelly had last year.
Oh, I had more after on it.
I was like, oh, I'm so getting that.
I love
like
it.
that.
It was on sale. I will. I don't mind. Wait a minute.
Hold on, she's gonna put her makeup on.
Alright, and here's the strawberry shortcake that I made. So we got the little sponge cakes, the strawberries, blueberries, and whipped cream. Put it on light and blue. And see how it tastes. Wish that tree wasn't there because I could see the fireworks right through there. Dumb neighbors. Finn is scared. So loud. Idiots over here. 4th of July. Happy 250th, America.